and comment. And most importantly, subscribe. It's 9:35.
Billionaire vlog. Now we out here and this man trying to blame it on the marijuana. My man damn. Oh yeah, Jones Bluff Dam, Whitehall. Yeah, Jones Bluff Dam. What time is it? You know what time it is? We out here fishing, we run from the rain, man. It's I understand. But, you know, 8:40. 8:40. 8:40. Doing night fishing. Night fish, catfish. We in the south.
This is the Broke Billionaire Vlogs, Redemption Highway. You know the motto, always stay hydrated, never been thirsty, never will. Today, me and the crew are going night fishing in Whitehall, Jones Bluff Dam.
You know what it is? My nigga JB.
What up?
My nigga Triple B. Back there, hey, we going night fishing. Where we going?
To Jones Bluff.
Jones Bluff. I call it Jones Bluff because I called that nigga Jones Bluff one day.
That nigga Jones Bluff. That Negro.
Hey, Negro. It's going down.
Back on me.
That ain't funny, boy. Yeah. Okay, your daddy. Don't be hard, no, you heard.
First, we pick up Big Dave, fisherman extraordinaire. I don't know if you're listening, but JB just threatened Triple B about telling his dad, and Triple B got quiet.
Don't hype the little nigga up, because he already.
You already know me, man. Catch me a mermaid, bitch.
What?
And a soft spot all at the same time.
Yeah. Hey, man. I was telling you, you make a certain cake, get the man down. Don't worry about it now. We'll just tell him to come on down the road.
Preston, there you go. What's up, boo? What's up, man?
Oh, blue.
This is Catfish Sam, Triple B's dad, and as soon as I seen his face, I knew he was frustrated about something.
Nigga, I ain't know what. I'm looking like, oh, well, there's shit. He got something behind her.
So we ventured down Highway 80 towards Lowndes County, and we're gonna turn off on Lounsboro. I call it Old Church Road. I'm not sure the name of the road, but the closer we get to fishing, the more Triple B trying to get under our skin.
Yeah, he done what he said. No, not yet. You want to get there first.
Respect.
Hurry, Prince.
I'm like,
Man, you do stop doing that.
Quiet as kept, we are Triple B's entertainment.
It's abandoned houses too. Oh, that's a cool house over there. Yeah, I want to find
They let the preacher preach, and then afterwards, everybody, when they socialize, that's when they had a little private meetings.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
Is that a church too? We just passed by 3-4 churches.
Yeah, same
That's
spot.
crazy.
Bro, empty these houses
Is that
out
church?
chill.
Yes, sir.
Man,
Look
that's
at
crazy.
that one right there. That is so cool. Bro,
Just the definition of the Bible Belt.
I'm not.
When we finally arrived, I realized I've been here before. A young lady named TT brought me here. But anyway, that's another story. We unpacked all our stuff, grabbed a special can, my favorite can, and we head down to the water.
I gotta go back to the cuddle, man.
This is my man Fisherman J. You know he bought it when the hat matches the shotgun.
I let it down here like what's this here. Everything in my body. Everything in my body.
This is my man Pigalicious. I call him the Fisher Dater. He does not play when he gets to that water.
Yeah.
Some fun, I got it.
Trying some fun.
I tell you, Fisherman Jay spoke up on it. I don't know if he sacked it or not, but he had a blast. So did I. For the next couple hours, they did a little fishing, caught a couple of little guppies, in my opinion. But I was anticipating the night falling and see how interesting it was going to get once it got dark.
Hello.
Come on, buddy.
How you doing?
Come on, trying to get some lightning strikes.
When the sun went down, it was like the calm before the storm, literally and figuratively. Yes, that cough is sponsored by my favorite can I was talking about. If you know that cough, you know you know.
Why you not let me fishing?
You can't see the phone, boy. You okay. Huh? You don't hear me? Oh my God! Come on, this down. Come on, come on, line. Come on, line. Come on, please move your way.
Real move. Dad, get your real move out the way.
Come on, Jay. Come on over.
Oh, shit!
Keep reading, He came up.
Take it down. Find him. Stop fighting him. Beat him. Stop.
Man, that bitch, come on, man.
You gonna pull him up?
No. He running. He already. Look at him. Come on, he running.
That motherfucker so goddamn strong.
First big fish.
Shit!
Come
on, you bitch. Come on.
Right back down there, somebody.
Right down here, y'all.
There you go. I see him.
Come on, motherfucker.
What that is, catfish? You gotta tighten your drag up.
Hey, you were supposed to be doing that.
Tighten it up, big. Yeah, he ain't doing that. He got him on these hooks. Yeah, there you go. That's how you got him. Now you got him.
What's our test line that is?
35.
Man, look at that cat there.
Nice. Flathead, too.
Man.
Hey, somebody grab that bitch, man. Don't let that motherfucker go.
Nice flathead.
You know how to get him up. You know how to take your time and get him.
Shit.
Nice flathead. Yeah, that's all. Man. You got 35 pounds.
Shit, man.
He's trying to go.
That motherfucker coming, though. I ain't stopping.
Come on.
I ain't motherfucking stopping.
Come on, slam
Pull
over
that
there,
bitch.
There you go.
Yeah.
Go in, old boy.
It was an honor and a blessing to see my man Fisherman Jay catch his first big fish. You see my man Pickalicious proud of him, pat him on the back. That's an excitement and energy that you cannot buy. I love it. As it got good and dark and the fishing got good, we started running from the weather. And then the next thing you know, man down.
We out here, this man trying to blame it on the marijuana. My man down. Oh yeah, Jones Bluff Dam, Whitehall. Yeah, Jones Bluff Dam. What time is it? You know what time it is? We out here fishing, we running from the rain, man. I understand. But, 8:40. 8:40. Doing night fishing. Night fish, catfish. We in the south. Little lightning, a little crackling, boy. They run from the rain. So, yeah, we run from the rain.
He said they running, I ain't able. Yeah. You know who you with. You know where we at. Well, we're not in Champmount right now. We on Redemption Highway, baby. And it's going down. We out here at George's Dam, Jones Bluff. And we're a bunch of fishermen running from the rain. Like some biz naives, as goddamn Scrappy would say, right? I really noticed that running from the rain didn't sit right with me that night for some reason. I'm over here on mine. Shout out to my people. I love y'all, man. Shout out to my nephew, Big Red, graduated high school. Big handsome fella, man. He grew into the nickname. Another shout out to my grandson, Yowie, graduation. Going to junior high, baby. And then we got Triple B and Little Bree. You know what I'm saying? Graduating, going to the first grade. So it's going down, man. Redemption Road, man. Love y'all. Woo!
Out here in the South, baby, it's going down. God love.
As we get back to the action,
Yes,
Catfish Sam get his first big catch, a yellow, or what you call a flathead catfish.
Fishing with Bizzle.
My man Fisherman Jay is killing him out there. He got him another nice catch. This time it's the drum.
Hey, Jay, wearing those out tonight, man. Yes, sir. Put him on your screen, baby. Catch before you get the water, man. Hey, they're mine right here. Man, something's up under you. You was in the mic.
How?
I'm like way over there.
Oh.
Here's a few sights and sounds from that night.
Leave him alone, man. I don't know how y'all think it. That'll be enough. That's like, that's right. What's your own? Nice. So open that bitch up and put him in the whole thing in the kitchen. Boy, that thing be so good, hot. Cook them, baby. You gotta get them hot. Good boy.
You down there with Dave?
Kid light, man. 251. Fog rolling in, just going down at this motherfucker.
Sometime during late night, they were still fishing, and I got way too comfortable and dozed off. Next thing I know, the sun was up. They even shot a snake while I was sleeping. I didn't hear it. I was sleeping good.
Back in the pocket. Come on, boy.
Fisherman Jay had the best night that night. I think all of us won because it was an awesome night. Even running from the rain. I'll do it again with these fellas, man. They all fishermen, but I am the master fisherman. This is the Broke Billionaire vlog, Redemption Highway. Thank you, Whitehall, Jones Bluff. I'm looking for the next adventure. Over and out, out and in. Salute.
There we go. Broke Billionaire vlog, baby. Going down out here at Jones Bluff Dam in Whitehall, Alabama, baby. I'm sitting in the car. Country boys.